Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best hairbrushes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Wet Brush Hairbrush. This intelligently manufactured detangler, unlike conventional hairbrushes, does not shred or pull out knotted hair. It glides through the hair, softly entangling even the most stubborn knots. The firm yet soft bristles massage the scalp softly to increase blood flow and strengthen your hair, which ultimately results in better hair growth. The brush is beautifully engineered to prevent hair loss or split ends by allowing you to brush your hair with less force. The best thing about this hairbrush is that it works great on every hair type. Whether you have curly, wavy, straight, thick, thin, or treated hair, buy this hairbrush with confidence. Moving on at number 4, we have Lorsex Boar Bristles Hairbrush. This package offers great value for money as you get 2 premium quality brushes. One is with natural boar bristles and the other one is of nylon. The black hairbrush's natural bristles are designed to help you evenly distribute your natural oils and remove dust and dirt from your hair to keep them shiny and glowy. The green brush requires less force to detangle the hair, making your hair smooth, silky, and frizz-free. Because the bristles are stronger and the ball tips are larger, the pure nylon bristles can calm and gently massage your scalp, ensuring you get a healthier scalp and stronger hair. Whether you love to carry tight curls or have fine, medium length, frizzy hair, the Lorsex hairbrush set can handle it all. At number 3, we have Festool Boar Bristle Hairbrush. The brush has an oval paddle made of bamboo and a massage cushion made of rubber to protect your hair from breakage and damage. The package includes a brush cleaner and a storage bag, making it a great choice to gift someone. It has gentler boar bristles that spread the oil to reduce frizz, allowing you to style your hair differently every day. This brush is ideal for detangling, massaging, and smoothing all types of wet and dry hair. If you're suffering from itchy scalp and want to prevent hair loss and restore the natural shine of your hair, this hairbrush is your go-to option. It's also safe to use on extensions, weaves, and wigs. At number 2, we have Besisme Hairbrush. The brush quickly detangles knots and glides through thin to thick hair to leave frizz-free and shinier hair. This hairbrush helps to seal broken ends and minimize split ends by massaging the scalp gently to promote blood flow. You may enhance hair texture and have healthier and shinier hair by adding this brush to your grooming routine. The greatest and most efficient natural conditioner is the natural oil that your scalp secretes on a daily basis. The scale structure of boar bristles is thoughtfully engineered to aid in the distribution of natural hair oil from the scalp to the hair's end. Moreover, it aids in the healing of dry and frizzy hair while also eliminating excess oil, allowing you to wave goodbye to a greasy head. And finally at number 1. Sossoon Boar Bristle Paddle Hairbrush. Does your scalp itch a lot? Use this brush to remove dust, oil, dandruff, and grime. It promotes healthy, lustrous hair and helps to prevent hair breakage. The best thing about this brush is that it removes dead skin cells, relaxes muscles, and reduces tension to calm your scalp. Moreover, it comes with a tail comb that aids in hairstyling and the wide tooth design is ideal to prevent hair loss. The 100% natural boar bristles aid in the distribution of sebum and scalp secreted oil to nourish dry, frizzy hair from roots to ends. Add this hairbrush to your grooming kit and say bye to pain while detangling knots.